Hey everyone, welcome to the Rockstar Experience channel. Today we are jumping straight into it. I am turning this hot pink wig into a nice, beautiful Cajun spice ginger. This girl has been worn. She's been through some things, but I believe she still has some life. So, first things first, we're going to gather our materials. We have our 50 volume developer. And we also have our quick blue lightener, or some of you may call it bleach. So we're going to shampoo the wig. We're going to shampoo it using hot water. Not warm, but hot. That's why I have on my gloves, because that hot water is going to open up those follicles and strip that color. Well, help strip the color. Then we're going to use a clarifying shampoo. I like to use Paul Mitchell clarifying shampoo, but I've been seeing the girls on TikTok use Dawn. This is a wig, so do what you want to do, but we're going to shampoo this wig twice. The second time, we're going to leave the shampoo in it. Just sit that there and watch the next step. So while our wig is sitting in that clarifying shampoo, we're going to go over to the bucket and the bleach and developer. We're going to put in some bleach. I just dumped my last bit. As you can see, that's about 3 scoops left. Then we're going to do another 2 scoops from the fresh bucket of bleach. Then we're going to pour about equal parts of developer into that bleach, which was honestly about half of the bottle, guys. So we're going to use our mixer and mix it all up. You want to make sure you mix it up so it doesn't have any chunks in it and it's a nice consistency. Then you want to fill the bucket with hot water and put that soapy wig into this bleach bucket. So pretty much you're giving it a bleach bath, some may call it. And please, guys, make sure you wear gloves for this. As you can see, the color is just coming right off of this wig. You want to just keep working that bleach water in and using that wig to pick up the bleach and just work it in. Kind of like you're washing clothes in a bucket, honestly. After you have fully saturated your wig, then you want to cover it and let it sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. After that 10 minutes is up, you wash it out, shampoo it with the clarifying shampoo and conditioner, and then this is the color I had. And then we're going to repeat the steps again. Giving it a good old bleach bath. This is us really working smarter, not harder, instead of going to the store to get the oops kit or anything like that. You can just save some time and some money and just do the bleach bath. I would not do this on someone's natural hair. I do want to put that disclaimer out there. Do not do this on someone's natural hair. On a wig, okay, you can get by with it. But let it sit for another 10-15 minutes. And then you should have the lightest color possible. So now that we have this baby pink, we could go ahead and prepare to dye the wig ginger. First things first, we're gonna protect these knots. So I do not want ginger knots for my client. So I'm gonna use this Gots to Be gel and put it on the inside of the lace. So you wanna use a spatula, a hair spatula, and just spread that evenly onto the lace. This is gonna make like a good cover or a good protectant for those knots. After you apply the Got To Be, you want to sit it in the dryer or allow it to dry completely before doing this next step. Once that Got To Be is dry, we're going to do the watercolor method. I'm sure you guys have heard of this. You're going to get hot water, fill your bucket up, and then pour your color into the water. I like to do this about 4 to 5 times. You do not have to refill the water, just pour in more color, guys. Take your wig and just drop it in. The water was a little hot, so I had to use my mixer. And as you can see, it's looking very gingery. So this color was kind of giving Chucky doll. So I decided to go ahead and add a little bit more cinnamon into it so it can add like some richness, because we don't be wanting to look like Halloween, honey. We want to look nice, sultry, and sexy. Now, this is what I'm talking about. And remember, when the hair is wet, it is darker. So you can dip this about 4 to 5 times, 6 times, however dark you want it. But this method really works for those 613 wigs, like magic. If you guys want to see how this wig looks when it dries and installed, look at part 2 of the install. It came out so sexy. I know you see that thumbnail. But thanks guys for watching. I hope you guys use this method. Let me know in the comments. Bye.